What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this Dreo Smart 6-liter humidifier. Now they sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as far as what you get in the box, of course, you're going to get the humidifier itself. You will get a full-on user's guide. There's going to be a cleaning guide that shows you how to clean this thing and maintain it. There's also going to be a quick start guide that shows you how to get started. It also tells you about the app and everything like that. There's a cleaning brush as well as a set of extra pads for the aroma section, which I will show you. Now to go ahead and get started here, you can see the size of the unit here. Like I said, this is 6 liters, and typically something this big would be kind of hard to fill up, especially if you don't have a deep sink or anything like that, but they've made it really easy. So you go ahead and take this top piece off, and then all you do is you just pull the tank right out and you go ahead and fill it up. So now I have my water tank all the way filled up, and you just carefully place it right down on there and you are good to go. There is a max fill line to let you know how high you need to put this up. We put the top on and we are good to go. Now, one thing I did want to show you is the aroma tray in the back here. So it pops out, you just press on it, pops out. And as you can see, that's all it is. And basically what it allows you to do is use essential oils with this. So you put your essential oils on the pad, put it back in, and you are good to go. And there's 2 different sections of this pad. So there's 2 different pads, one on each side. And basically what that allows you to do is use, one type of scent on this side, one on the other, and use them interchangeably, which is really nice. All of your controls are going to be on the front of the unit here. There is an app as well, which I will go over, which you can also use to control it. But let's go ahead and turn it on. And when you turn it on, you will notice a few things. 1, the mist starts right away. And 2 here is that we have our relative humidity level, which is in percentage, which you're going to get right there. There's also a light down here. You can see that it's green. It's going to go from yellow to green to blue, depending on how close you are to your relative humidity level. And we can change the actual mist level. So that's the second button. So we're on the highest level. It's 3. So there's 1. You can hit it again. There's 2. And then there's 3 there. So 3 different mist levels. You can also change the mist from a cold mist to a hot mist using this button. So the red here means that it's hot, and then the blue means that it's cold. There's also an auto level. So you can set your actual humidity level that you're going for. So again, if I hit that again, it's at 65, but you can adjust it all the way up to 80% if you want, and all the way down to 30%. So whatever you like to set it at, you can set it, and then it will reach that humidity level. And then we have a timer. So your timer can be set, 0 hours means it's not on, but you can go all the way up to 12 hours. So it will run for 12 hours and then it will turn off, or whatever you set it to. So between 1 hour and 12 hours, you can set it. And then if you don't want it on, you can turn it off. There's also a sleep mode here. And basically what that does, it turns the lights down, it turns the mist to low, and it makes it run a lot quieter. And as you can see, all of the lights have turned off as well. So just a nice sleep mode that you get there. So here we have the Dreo app. It is available for both iOS and Android. Very easy to use and very easy to go ahead and sync up the humidifier within the app. It took me about 5 minutes, really easy to do. So in the app, we can see our humidifier there, and we can hit the power button and it will go ahead and turn on there. Now, when you turn it on, we can click into here and we can see our relative humidity level. We can also control it. So we can do auto, manual, and sleep right there at the top. We can also set the mist level. Very easy to set the mist level however you would like it. You can also turn that ambient light on or off. So it's on, but I can turn it off. And as you can see, it's no longer on there. Turn it back on, and now it is back on again. Very easy to do. You can also turn the warm mist on and off. So very easy to do there. So that is the settings. You can also see a graph of your humidity level, which is really cool. You can set schedules. You can check on the filter life. You have a cleaning reminder. You can go into your settings as well and change different things. And you can also go into maintenance, and it will give you some tips on, maintenance of the actual unit. So really cool and easy to use app here. Now, one thing I didn't mention about the app is that it allows you to use this with Google Assistant as well as Amazon Alexa. So you can use voice controls with this, which is really, really nice. Now, at the end of the day, I really like this humidifier. One, it's extremely easy to use and set up. And I really like it that they do have the removable tank. So basically, this just lives either in your room or wherever it may be, and you just take the tank and fill it up and refill it. It's really, really easy to use. So if you are looking for a humidifier and one that's extremely easy to use and has app control, this is one that I would definitely recommend.